Hello, my Math 3 scholars. Today we're going to be learning about radian measure. And in order to learn about radian measure, we need to get a few definitions and talk about them. So the first definition we're going to get is for a central angle. So that's our first definition here, for a central angle. And that's an angle with a vertex at the center of the circle. So I've drawn an example down here, and you can see here this part says central angle right here. This is a central angle. And what it means is that the center of the circle, which is right here, that is the vertex of this angle that we have here. So the angle is this angle here, stretches from there to there, okay? So that's what a central angle is. It's when the center of the circle is the vertex of your angle that you're looking at. The next one is for the word intercepted arc. An intercepted arc. And we've kind of already talked about that. We're just putting it in definition form here. That's the part of the circle with endpoints on the side of the central angle. We've talked about an arc, but we've not talked about an intercepted arc. So an intercepted arc is where your endpoints are on the sides of your central angle. So here's my central angle. So you'll notice that my endpoint here and here, it encloses this arc right here, which we call our intercepted arc. Okay, so that's what an intercepted arc is. And then last, we need to talk about this measurement of radian. You have always measured angles in degrees. We might say that this angle here was 30 degrees. Well, now we're going to start measuring angles in relationship to radians. And that is the measure of a central angle that intercepts an arc with length equal to the radius of the circle. And when we talk about the radius of the circle here, we're always talking about the unit circle. And the unit circle always has a radius. You'll notice I have here 1 radian. Okay, so that means the distance from here to here is 1, and the distance from here to here is 1. So this distance of radian measure here is 1 radian there. Okay, so that's what we're talking about when we're talking about radians. Now, what we are basically going to do in this lesson is we're going to convert degrees to radians and radians to degrees. Okay, so at this point, if you have any questions about these definitions, let me know.